We should get KFC. I love their fried chicken.
Okay, I don't know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog is I'm gonna be filming a day in my life sa ngayong weekend na to kasi madami akong ganap sa buhay bakla. I'm gonna be documenting na mag-interview ako ganito ganyan. Bibili ako ng mga requirements sa school like notebooks and stuff. Dami yung gagawin ko guys. So I'm just gonna be filming you guys kung anong gagawin ko for today's video.
If you don't know me, I'm M to the B, coming in hot.
So, isang requirement namin sa school is kailangan namin ng drug literature. If you don't know what drug literature is, halimbawa, ito. So, yung mga gantos na loob ng medicine. And, meron akong isa kasi nagkaroon ako ng, I think, nagkaroon ako ng asthma ata or UTI nung time na yun. It's either asthma or UTI. Tapos, binigyan ako ng antibacterial na ganito. Tapos, buti hindi ko pa siya natapon yung, kasi wala nang laman eh. Kailangan namin ng tatlong ganito. So, pupunta kami mamaya sa bahay ng lola ko. Kasi, doon, marami akong kukuha ng drug literature. Kasi, yung grandparents ko ay, they have maintenance. Tapos, madami silang medicine doon. Tapos, sabi ng teacher, sabi ng instructor namin na dapat hindi daw kami magkaparehas. So, ayun, siguro, wala akong kaparehas sa antibacterial ata. So, kanina guys is naglaba ako. At, samahan niyo ako for today. So, yeah, let's go on with my day. Kasi, yeah, that's what this vlog is for. So, let's go. Before I go take a bath, na-stress ako kasi lahat ng damit ko is nasa boarding house ko. Like, as in lahat. Yung pants ko na naiwan is etong pangit. And I have to, like, dress up formal. Kasi I have to interview some people in my grandma's community. Kasi pag sa Sunday kasi, baka wala na ako dito sa bahay. Tapos baka hindi na ako makaano kasi may gagawin pa ako, guys. Diba? Alam mo yun. So, yeah. Eto. I don't know what to wear, honestly. Cause, like, bro. Come on, bro. I'm stressing out kasi I don't know what to wear. So, lahat ng damit na magaganda ko, lahat ng casual wear ko, casual outfit ko is nasa boarding house ko. So, I found this, like, pants. They're kind of hideous. But, yeah, I don't know what to wear for my top guy. I have to be formal kasi I'm going to interview some people. So, ano pa naman tayo, big crop top, tas naka-short. Siyempre, we have to, like, be formal. Kasi yung nursing school, mag-interview tayo sa mga tao. So, baka sabihin nila, professional tayo bakla. Stressing out. I'm stressing out, bro. Ito yung mga damit ko.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. You're not fine, but you just can't get it.
Ito, I have like a lot of long sleeve na mainit. Mag-interview tayo sa mainit na panahon. Tapos naka-long sleeve bakla. Parang like, I'm also like, I don't know what to wear. I have no damit. I mean like, I have damit. Or like, I do not wear those damit no more. Let me see, bro.
1738.
Palit. Milo. Abangan, babawi ako sa KFC. Kasi hindi ako nakasama. Wow. Sarap. Masarap. My nose is not bleeding. My ears were flammable. But what if sugadam? What if I was born spoiled brat? I would use, like, in my opinion, what if we became spoiled brat? What if we grew up spoiled like a brat?
Then you're going to taste hell.
Dali. Nanubatan tayo na kanina, KFC. They're like, we should get KFC. I love their fried chicken.
Okay, I don't know. We're going to eat it in Crispy King. So, it's all the same fried chicken.
No, they're crispy. Ano ito yun dito? What is that? Let's go. Going to my grandma's house. I'm so sure. Pupunta na ako sa bahay ng lola ko. Ha? Yes, I'm vlogging. Kasi I wanna document my life. Siyempre, we have a lot of breakdown. Ito, ayan, we have control. Tapos, ewan. Oh my gosh, bro. I don't know, we're going home. Is it yummy?
Siyempre. Eat yogurt.
I'm like, what?
Yes, I do.
Why is it so blurry, bro? It's so raining.
Ito, madapaki.
Oh my gosh, sobrang haggard ko. So ngayon is parang na-improvise ako ng light kasi wala pang light. Hindi pa final yung room ko guys, by the way. Ayan, nakikita niyo yan, tubo yan. Papalitan ko yan if ever makaipon-ipon ako. At yung light ko guys, tingnan. Yan yung lights na gagawin pang nagpo-photoshoot. Mamaya guys, I'm gonna do a haul. So hindi ako nakapag-interview. Yan yung patning na gagawin ko ngayong araw. Pero bukas na lang. Pero marami akong nakuha na job literature. Eto guys, sobrang dami. Sobrang dami yung nakuha kong job literature. So yes guys, babalikan ko kayo. I'm gonna do a mini haul later. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. So, I'm gonna do a mini haul for you guys. So, ito yung dadalhin ko sa boarding house ko. Binigyan na ang call ng whole grain rolled oat. Most of the time, I always rice yung pinakain ko. Pero this one is parang so siya ba? I'm gonna like eat this very rarely. Thank you so much, Uncle, sa pagbigay. Next is hair gel. So, binigyan ako ni Mama ng dalawa. Thank you so much, Max. Ito lang yung dadalhin ko. Ito lang guys yung dadalhin ko. Kasi ito lang yung lagayan ko. Tapos may mga damit pa. So, I don't know if they're all gonna fit. Pero ipipilit natin yan na kakasya sa lang lahat. Yun lang guys. I think dito mag-end yung video ko. Kasi I'm done with my day. At bukas, alam ko wala na akong gagawin. Mag-i-interview na lang ako. So, I think I'm gonna do it off-cam. Kasi dito lang ako mag-i-interview, you know. So yeah, bye! Thank you so much for watching. Kahit sobrang boring ng araw ko, yung buhay ko sobrang boring talaga. Ewan ko ba't nyo pinapanood pa to. Pero you know, I just wanna say thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want. If you don't, it's okay. It won't hurt my feelings. And yes, see you guys on my next video. Bye!